Health experts say we are in the midst of another COVID surge, and now 5 of the Bay Area's 9 counties have moved into the CDC's high community level for COVID danger. Those counties in the danger zone are Marin, Napa, Santa Clara, Solano, and Sonoma. This means federal health officials are calling for people in those counties to mask up in public indoor settings. And with the Warriors heading into the finals, that means more people are certainly getting together. Tonight, KRON 4's Dan Kerman talks to medical experts about the best ways to enjoy the game while staying safe.
If the Western Conference Finals are any indication, mass gatherings will continue now that the Warriors are in the NBA Finals. But medical experts say these gatherings come with risk as COVID-19 surges again.
We're seeing an awful lot of people get sick and missing time off work and time to be with family and trips they want to take. So this is the time to really be careful not to get infected.
UC Berkeley infectious disease specialist Dr. John Schwartzberg says the best way to protect yourself from serious illness is to be up to date on the vaccine.
Not just 1 or 2 of them, but make sure you've got that 3rd one. And if you're a candidate for the 4th one, make sure you get that. That's the most critical thing.
Your next step to reducing your risk is by choosing where you'll watch the game.
The Chase Center, it has pretty good ventilation, but there's going to be 19,000 plus people in there. And while some people will be wearing masks, most people will not. You're going to be jammed next to people. And the worst thing perhaps is people are going to be yelling and screaming, which means lots of virus coming out of their mouths.
Schwartzberg recommends those inside the Chase Center wear a mask for the duration. Better yet, he says, is to watch the game outdoors, either on the big screen outside the Chase Center or at an outdoor sports bar. Watching the game inside a bar or a restaurant comes with greater risk and would definitely, he says, require a mask.
But wearing a very, very good mask, an N95, KN95, KF94, one that fits you well.
Ultimately, though, he says the best bet is to have a small gathering at your home.
I personally would have a party at my house and just invite people who I know will not come if they're sick, who will test before they come over. Then I think we can have a great time and you can be very safe.
Medical experts agree everybody's risk tolerance is different, but they say if there was ever a time to give it extra special consideration, it's now during a surge. In San Francisco, Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.
Masks